Yo, happy Tuesday, everyone. Feels like a Monday because of the holiday. All right, Nanrobot D4. I made a mistake on the last video. I said D6 is actually 4. D4. All right. After some diagnosing, let's see what have we found. Well, we found two cables that were cut, right? And remember, everything's doubled up on this scooter because there's two controllers, two sets of spaghettis, right? And we also have two, what I think are either brake or throttle. Okay, usually red and blue, that's going to be brake and throttle, usually, right? So I'm just taking not a wild guess. I'm taking an educated guess. But here's what I found. You see these two wires right here? Okay. That did not come from the factory. That did not. And neither did this. Okay. So my thought here is that my thought here is there were some sort of repair or something. However, this is the same set of wires that either go, and I'm thinking more so the brake. This has to do with the brakes than it does the throttle, because there's only one throttle, but there's two brakes, right? And then there's two sets of red and blue and gray and orange. Gray and orange, red and blue, gray and orange, right? So here's what I am going to do, okay? I'm going to wire these back up, and then, but before I do it, I'm going to go into the P settings on this thing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it from a 48 volt situation to a 36 volt situation. And I'm going to give you the thought or logic behind that, because I'm going to then take that battery out and I'm going to test it. I think it's fried. I think it's dead. And so it's a 48 volt battery. However, I can program this to run the controller at 36. And given that this is a, what is it? 23.4 amp hour battery. I paralleled two packs. I paralleled two lithium ion packs. These are 10 amp hour nominal, right? But 9.6, right? So I have them paralleled through that right there. Boom, charging. Boom, you see it right there, charging. Okay. And so I'm going to take those two packs and I'm going to lay them side by side in here. I'm going to wire everything back up. And I should be able to just turn this thing on and it work. I should. Okay, I should. But yeah, it looks like, I don't know what the fuck they were doing right there. Listen, people, just buy the scooter that has the performance that you want and then leave it alone. Please don't do this right here. Dude, come on, don't buy shit like this and then do dumb shit. All right? Because they do like technical schematics and all this. So what's the channel? There's a dude, he did a few breakdowns, and he did these videos maybe like, I don't know, a couple years ago. What's it called? Watts something. But he did a breakdown of this and all that, and he actually emailed Nanrobot, and then they sent him the schematics for this. So it's like, okay, they sent them the schematics for one controller, and then you just basically double that. And that's what all the spaghetti's about. It's not that I don't know what that all is. It's just a mess, right? But in doing what I plan to do, I can pull this battery out. I'm gonna pull it out because I'm gonna test it just to be sure that it's shit. And then you see those XT60s right there? So my batteries will plug right into those two. That's why I'm parallel charging those two right now, so I can pop it right in. and try it out. I think it's going to work. And then what I'll do is, because I have them paralleled, this bullshit right here can go. You'll only need one charge port, and I'm going to switch this out for the charge port that I'm using to charge those batteries. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to try out. That's what the fuck I'm going to do with this right here. Because this is some bullshit. Look at... Dude. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh my God. Just leave shit alone. Don't do stuff like this. I swear to God. Don't do stuff like this. And the Nanrobot, once again, don't do shit like this. I'll do the whole switch out later on, and then we'll see what happens. Pieces.